I was back in Brooklyn recently, and chances would have it that it was the same day Rayne was launching their brand new shop at Brooklyn Botanic Garden. Now, this type of collaboration makes so much sense to me because Botanic Garden gift shops often leave much to be desired, in my opinion. And Rayne curates great garden lifestyle selections and decor, which will fit well with the overall Brooklyn vibe. A number of us were there after hours at the garden, so we got to have a private tour of the grounds as well as witness the peak cherry blossom season. So I'll take you with me so you can enjoy the tour right before the sun sets. Okay, so I am outside of the Brooklyn Botanic Garden and I am going to go into a little terrain shop today. This is Terrain's opening here, and I just happened to be back in New York, so I figured I'd give you a little sneak peek of what it looks like. Some beautiful scabiosas. If you ever want a flower that blooms for spring through fall, then you will want to have this one. It's a great pollinator plant outdoors. Oh, hello. I didn't expect it to open up that way. How are you? Good. Everyone's got their camera. Hi, how are you? Nice to see you.
Oh, good to see you.
Yeah. So in Terrain fashion, you have lots of great displays. Very artful, very tasteful. Nice to see this in Brooklyn. Normally, I'd have to travel all the way to like Pennsylvania to actually see or find some of their stuff. And it's nice to see that it's here in Brooklyn. At the Botanic Gardens, nonetheless. And just in time for the cherry blossoms, I hear. You making some displays here?
Sure.
Beautiful. Really beautiful display of some succulents. And look at this bubblegum pink. Isn't that phenomenal for a jungle cactus? Beautiful. So she was saying there's a bit more interesting ones back here, like the philodendron tortum and the fuzzy petiole. And some variegated fatzias.